Welcome back to Tech Goods, the channel where we dive deep into today's most innovative and practical products that elevate your lifestyle. If you love home upgrades, outdoor living, and tech-driven designs, then you're in the right place. In today's review, we're taking a detailed look at the Purple Leaf LED Louvered Pergola, a premium outdoor solution designed with a full aluminum frame, adjustable louvered roof, and integrated LED strip lights. This pergola is not only about providing shade during the day, but it also transforms your evenings into a cozy, illuminated retreat. Over the next few minutes, we'll break down its design, features, functionality, pros and cons, and real user feedback so you can decide whether this is the right investment for your outdoor space. The Purple Leaf LED Louvered Pergola is an advanced outdoor structure crafted for both style and durability. With a sleek, modern design and a gray hardtop gazebo finish, it serves as the centerpiece of any patio, deck, or backyard setup. This pergola is designed to adapt to your needs, whether it's providing shade on a sunny afternoon, lighting up your evenings with integrated LED strips, or protecting you and your guests from unexpected rain showers. The goal is to deliver year-round usability and comfort while enhancing the beauty of your outdoor living area. Inside the package, you'll find the foundation materials and louvers required to assemble the pergola. This ensures that the structural essentials are included for building a sturdy and reliable setup. However, it's important to note that anchor or mounting materials are not provided. That means you'll need to source the appropriate anchors for your specific installation surface, whether you're placing the pergola on concrete, decking, or another foundation. This is a key consideration before installation. One of the standout highlights of this pergola is the integrated LED strip system. Designed with waterproof housing, the LED strip casts a warm 3000K glow that creates a cozy and inviting atmosphere during the evening hours. This makes it ideal for hosting dinners, enjoying family time, or simply relaxing with a book or glass of wine. The LED system also comes with a remote control switch and power supply, giving you full control over your lighting at the touch of a button. This feature makes your outdoor living area not just functional, but also stylish and enjoyable after sunset. The roof of the pergola is engineered with two independent adjustable sections. Each section can be tilted from 0 to 90 degrees using the adjustable poles. This means you can precisely control how much sun, shade, or breeze you let in. On hot summer days, simply close the louvers for maximum shade, and on cooler afternoons, tilt them open to let in natural light. If the weather suddenly shifts and rain begins to fall, you can close the louvers completely to keep the area underneath dry and usable. This level of versatility ensures that the pergola adapts to your preferences and weather conditions seamlessly. Durability is another core strength of the Purple Leaf Pergola. Its frame and louvers are made from powder-coated aluminum, giving it both strength and weather resistance. This construction not only protects the pergola from rust and corrosion, but also makes it capable of withstanding winds of up to 72 miles per hour. That kind of resilience is crucial for anyone living in areas with varying weather conditions. Whether you're hosting a family barbecue, celebrating an intimate gathering, or enjoying a quiet afternoon, you can rely on the stability of this all-aluminum build. Another thoughtful design feature is the built-in drainage system. Rainwater is automatically diverted into the 4 supporting columns, and from there, it's discharged onto the ground through notches at the base. This prevents water from pooling on the roof or dripping unpredictably onto your seating area. With this system in place, you can comfortably continue your outdoor activities even during light rain without worrying about water damage or messy runoff. Versatility is where this pergola truly shines. It's suitable for a wide variety of uses, including residential decks, backyard gardens, patios, and even commercial setups like restaurants and cafes. Whether you're hosting a summer party, grilling with friends, or just creating a peaceful spot for relaxation, this pergola provides the flexibility to meet those needs. Its stylish design ensures that it blends seamlessly into modern and traditional outdoor spaces alike. Let's talk about real-world experiences. One customer who installed this pergola in their newly remodeled backyard had a mostly positive experience. They praised the pergola's design, sturdy feel, and the beautiful effect of the LED lighting once installed. However, they did point out some challenges during assembly. The included instructions lacked clarity in several areas, especially when it came to installing the LED channels and running the wiring safely. The customer had to use a soft mallet to fit certain parts properly, a detail not mentioned in the instructions. Despite these setbacks, they loved the final result and expressed excitement about hosting gatherings under their new pergola. This highlights that while the product quality is strong, the setup may require some patience and problem solving. Another buyer had a different perspective, focusing more on the purchasing process. They were impressed by Wayfair's competitive pricing and speedy delivery, noting that it arrived within days of ordering. While this customer had not yet assembled the pergola, they expressed confidence that it would be a great product once set up. This feedback points to the brand's accessibility and customer service, which can be just as important as the product itself when making a major purchase. The Purple Leaf LED Louvered Pergola brings several advantages to the table. Its sleek design adds elegance to any outdoor setting. The LED lighting creates ambiance and extends usability into the evening. The adjustable roof offers true flexibility for sun, shade, and rain protection. The aluminum frame ensures strength and long-term durability, while the integrated drainage system prevents water-related issues. Finally, its wide range of uses makes it a versatile investment for both homes and businesses. On the downside, the lack of anchor or mounting materials means you'll need to purchase additional supplies for installation, which could add cost and complexity. The assembly instructions could also be improved, as some customers have reported needing to troubleshoot or improvise during setup. Lastly, given its sturdy construction and integrated lighting system, it may take more time and effort to assemble compared to simpler pergolas on the market. Overall, the Purple Leaf LED Louvered Pergola is a premium outdoor structure that delivers on design, durability, and functionality. It's perfect for anyone who values flexibility, year-round usability, and a modern look for their outdoor space. While the setup process may require patience, the end result is an attractive and practical pergola that can transform your backyard into a true extension of your home. If you're serious about upgrading your outdoor living experience, this pergola is a strong contender worth considering. Thanks for watching this detailed review here on Tech Goods. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews on products that enhance your everyday life. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest uploads. Have you tried or are you considering the Purple Leaf LED Louvered Pergola? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your experiences. Until next time, keep enjoying the best that tech and design have to offer.